beautiful right now. And what's your name, brother?
Ras Ome-Niva, Morgan.
What country you from?
I was birthed in the great continent of Jamaica.
A joke here, man.
It's not a country. Because everywhere you go, they tell you that the little dot on the planet is extremely important to the world.
You're Jamaican?
I was birthed in the parish of Clarendon.
No.
Yeah.
Which part of Clarendon?
I'm from a place called Yorktown. They used to call it York Pen.
No.
And I grew up in another community called Howell's Content.
What you saying?
And you know Howell? The first Rastafari. Yeah, the right honorable.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So to grow up in Howell and I'm as a Rastafari, it's an honor to be birthed in Jamaica based on that tradition.
So how me know if you stop here?
Well, we saw the Right Honorable Marcus, the excellent Right Honorable Prophet, the John the Baptist in this time. Marcus Mosiah Garvey banner. The red for the blood, the black for the skin, and the green represent the land of Africa. That is the banner that we all should wear. And for the UNIA, the Universal Negro Improvement Association, this is the goal of Marcus Garvey, to give us a USA, where A is for Africa. So that is the future flag, and I only pray to be one of his sons to fulfill his promise.
No, my brother, where did you get this necklace?
This here, what they call necklace, I got this from Kenya. I have a sister who make beadwork in Kenya. On my many trips there, and one of the trips happened through the Dean of the School of Business, Right Honorable Joanne Road at Medgar's College.
Now give them the number so they can reach you, because
Yeah.
I want a copy of this necklace and you could support her and they could come support you. Give me your location, give them your phone number.
Beautiful. The link is 929-378-9302. That's 929-378-9302. On the Instagram thing, it is IARAS, IARAS_ITAL. And it is the word Sarai spelled the other way. And we're at 9203 Flatlands Avenue, right here in the Republic of Brooklyn. And that is the physical location that is coming. Here at 9203, we're opening a wellness, a spiritual center. And the community needs the holistic health, and it is my obligation to the community to be of service, to serve here in the US, so I could come and serve home in Jamaica and to serve Africa. So you could check I out. I man again is Ras Ome-Niva Morgan, and I am obligated to be of service to my community. I am a public administrator and I am a priest, so me have to serve. I man don't want nothing more than to be a service to my community. And I thank my brother here, whom I don't even know his name yet, but him know why him stop, because Marcus stop him. And me feel honored say the world is remembering our prophet, because it's not me. The greatest thing on the planet. This is, nobody knows how the water get into this thing here. And to know that the coconut water wash off heart, as we learn from the proverbs them in Jamaica. Me have the cane, and that me call the slave stick, because if cotton was the king, the cane was the emperor. Were my foreparents. I grew up in the parish where a big cane me grew up in a Clarendon. So we get it, and we're using it as medicinal property, as in India, the Ayurvedic medicine. Alright, so this is all ordained and destined to happen.
I would like one of these beads.
And you're gonna get one.
Give them your number again.
Yeah, my number is 929-378-9302. 929-378-9302.
And I see you have Guinea. So
yes.
Everybody in Brooklyn can forward.
Yeah man, you could find us here. Specifically, the shop is under construction, so we are here on a Tuesdays and a Friday, and I do trade at some venues on the weekend. You could follow the Instagram to find out where I'm at. Yes.
It's a pleasure, my brother.
And it's an honor. I'm chopping you this jelly.
Yes, my brother.
Chopping you this jelly right now. It's a word for liberation instead of emancipation. Is liberating. Because the word deal with liberty. See? And emancipation deal with somebody writing for free. So
I'm going to give you 2,000 digital books to give out to your brothers them on WhatsApp.
beautiful. I appreciate love you stopping in again.
You see how we're simple?
Beautiful. That's it.
You see how we just execute it?
That's it.
No long talking.
That's it. That's
just do it.
That's
It took us 10 years to get it done.
Beautiful. That's all we need to do. I
But
love
it's
what
done.
you said. Execute
It's done.
Yes.
We went to Botswana and we got 20 acres from Marcus Garvey Library.
Beautiful. That me I talk
when
about.
when you're ready, I could send you to the land. You could start building Marcus Garvey Library.
I'm telling you, this is liberty.
It's done.
It's done.
The land is there.
Yes, my
We
lord.
just need soldiers to go.
Yeah, man.
Cause we can't do everything.
We have to go execute the
We
work.
can't do everything.
I'm on volunteer.
I'm the only man that Botswana gave land to for Jamaica. I'm the only man that Botswana gave free land to.
Beautiful.
I went to South Africa, made with the Zulus, and gave them 2,000 digital books.
Yes.
You see, that's how you do things. You just do it.
Yes, my brother.
Black people been talking too much.
Yeah, man.
Them not do.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So them not. If a Rasta man has yet to go to Africa and he had credit card,
Yeah.
he's a waste of time.
Yes, my lord. Because he have credit when he can go back.
And if I still see him God and he no go where Selassie bury,
Yeah.
he's a waste man.
Stop with the very thing, because they can't find the emperor. So it now gonna make
So they
no
must be
guy
Africa.
accept so they must kill
So
off
how come
Haile
Rasta man
Selassie
reach
first.
Ethiopia?
I man have visit the foundation, and
But enough Rasta not reach yet.
well, we know we are under the colonial yoke, and for me to have reached Ethiopia, I had to go to Germany. So to know that there wasn't a direct flight when I visited, even speak to the testimony of the need of Right Honorable Marcus Mosiah
But
Garvey.
Malcolm X says by any means necessary.
I agree.
We don't care with the semantics.
Yeah.
Tell the Rasta man them to get there.
Get there, Rastafari.
Get there.
2030 is 100 year for the coronation of His Imperial Majesty. So if you haven't reached, we still have 2030, and I only pray to be a part of aiding those who can't afford it. So
Give me your name again.
I'm on a Ras Ome-Niva,
Do
Morgan.
you have your passport?
Me have the pass for the port.
Good. So
Yeah.
I'm going to send you to Botswana
All right.
to start building the Marcus Garvey Library.
I'm telling you.
Do you accept that?
I'm gonna accept the
Do you
challenge.
accept it?
Celestia.
The house is
I
waiting
love
for
it.
you.
Me I
The
tell
car
you,
is waiting
I
for you.
love it.
You understand me? I tell you,
Yes, man.
brother.
I'm on. This
You
a
accept it?
public administrator,
Okay.
and I'm
So
on
since you
want
have
to
your
administer the
passport,
public.
and me have your phone number,
Yeah.
you are
Let us
going
make
to
it do it.
Botswana
Let us
to
make
start building the library.
Let us do it.
And others will follow you.
Let us do it.
Okay, my
Can I
brother?
get a book for you? One.
Please. You see people who make history. You see how Randy do things. We just do things, people. We never another long talking. We do.
See me here. I am that.
Mm-hmm.
You see?
Yes, sir.
Philosophy and opinions of Marcus Garvey, or Africa for the Africans, compiled by the Honorable Amy Jakes Garvey and the preface by the Honorable Tony
And
Martin.
guess what I'm going to give you?
Yes,
I'm going to give you the video text version of this for those who can't read.
my lord.
So it's going to read it from the computer for those who can't
Can't
read.
read. The
So-
computer reads it.
yes, sir.
Oh, beautiful.
We wanted to take it to the next level.
But we should,
And we did.
because
We did.
this is the archive. And
So now, one link.
this is it. So I'm happy that it has been digitized and made readily available for those, as you said, who cannot say the words. Because reading, enough people think they can read and can't read. So I appreciate of everything this brother has said. I even to stop to drink a jelly.
No, man, you did the right thing. I miss the flag. I said, no.
You see, I'm a Jamaican.
May I leave for Jamaica tomorrow?
And I could have a Jamaica flag up there. My family is traveling tomorrow to Jamaica.
Eh?
Yes, they're traveling down there. So,
Ja!
Rastafari, Celestia the first.
See it, eh?
So it's coming soon. Yeah, man.
You did it.
Yeah,
So then, before me leave,
he did it.
before me leave, what time you coming in the morning?
You know, there's nothing in the morning happening here. I'm here again on Tuesday.
Don't worry, we forward.
Yeah, man.
I'll text you, get your address. I want to mail you something.
In due season.
I want to mail you a USB.
Yes.
And that USB is going to contain the books.
Yes, my brother.
Okay?
Yeah, man. I hate, man.
I've been working on this thing for a long time. But to see you, Clarendon, holding on the fort.
Yes, sir.
I know what you said to them, Clarendon, where I kick up. Speak silence, Clarendon. Hold them down for me. Tell them for easy. Because you know I go on to Jamaica. Clarendon, I act up.
They know.
And them are going up.
And me only pray that
talk to them.
The people in Clarendon, in all the parishes of Jamaica, and our Maroon brothers and sisters, our Rastafari brothers and sisters, we have to come together, because at the end of the day, there's only one factor that divides us. And that is the factor that we have to. Eventually, the red, black and green will be the flag for Jamaica. Because for Marcus Mosiah Garvey, the prophet, to be the first national hero, there's no way that Jamaicans should still be saluting and honoring the Queen of England with the flag known as the Jamaican flag. That is still Britain flag. And if we're going to honor Marcus properly, we have to honor Marcus with waving the one banner that is going to liberate us. So, as a Jamaican, I don't wave the Jamaican flag, I'm a Rasta. So we get what the meaning of that flag is. And if we're gonna end the yoke of enslavement and colonialism and imperialism, we have to go to the truth. And him give we the inception of a USA, where A is for Africa.
Did you know that he has this second chapter in Manchester? Did you know Manchester, from the Chester for Man, is where he started?
Him.
1929, the second chapter from New York is where he bought a basic school. That's where he started. They think it's St. Anne that's important.
Yes.
It is Manchester.
Right next to my parish.
Resource Manchester.
Yes.
That's where he started.
Yes.
And the many don't know, the foundation of revolution is in Manchester.
Beautiful.
In the Chester for Man, that's where I start.
Yes, sir.
Manchester, there goes a heart.
Yes, sir.
Marcus Garvey.
Marcus Mosiah. Yes, so man.
He has a statue there. You have to go rub him in.
Me have to go there.
You have to
never
go.
hear about it.
Resource Manchester.
Yeah.
They hid it from us.
Me have to go check it.
1929.
Yes.
The first chapter here, the Liberty Hall,
yes,
in New York.
Yes.
The second one is in Jamaica in Manchester. The Liberty Hall, 1929.
Wow.
And they told us nothing about it.
No.
You know Marcus Garvey, but you don't know where him started.
Yes, yes.
Imagine that.
Yes,
the tourist board just put up a little sign there because I went and there's bat shit in his house. Bat shit in his house. Them have churches all over Jamaica, but them have bat shit in a female house. No window.
Yeah.
So the Garveyites, them don't even know the home, and the reason why the whole world is shaking because his house is dirty.
Yes, sir.
Not about bad shit in that man's house.
Yes,
no
sir.
window.
Yes, sir.
Churches are decadent, but in his house, there's shit.
Disrespect.
So then how can we move forward? We'll never move forward because we disgrace him house.
True.
So I want to be there.
Yeah, man.
You get the be there
for
me. And get it for every one of the warriors there. Make them call you and get it from Kenya.
Yeah, man.
I love it.
Yeah, man.
I love what you do.
Yeah, man. I love
you see me, we are brothers, and want you to continue and complete the mission.
It has to.
That's what I say.
Yeah, man.
A year's with upon it.
It has to. It has to be done.
We're gone beyond fire now.
Yeah, man.
And nitro, we're energetic. We're gone.
I love it because.
You see me?
Yeah, man.
A supernova already.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
We're exploding galaxies and stars.
Yes, my brother.
The power infinite now. You see me, I say, brother? Strong. Because the land there at Botswana, 20 acres away from you. You see what I say? The next step, I go to Ghana.
Yes, sir.
It's everywhere I go, them just give me.
Yeah, man.
Come on, because you know.
Marcus.
The blood running away. Zulu.
Yes, man.
You see me? So I love you.
Yeah, man. Love there,
alright?
man.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
Selassie the first.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
Me see you later. I'm leave for Jamaica.
Majesty.
$20 to your blouse and skirt.
Yeah,
you see, we just wake it up. We're good.
You're excellent, man. You mean, man? You're excellent, man. You can't have this, man.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man. You're good, man.
We just did a blessing, a prayer.
Yeah, man.
The man is a priest. I is a priest too.
Marcus, man. See it there?
My brother, give thanks.
Oh, me chop a little thing for you.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
I'm Ron.
Yes, Ron.
That's it. Just
Yeah,
remember
man.
that.
Yeah, man.
But we're there on the work, you know.
Yeah, man.
Years we're there on it.
Yeah, man. We not give up,
But for
man.
meet the soldier like you,
Struggle
we love it.
continue, man.
Alright?
To continue,
We
man.
find each other.
Yeah, man.
Run.
Yeah, alright, that's what I go there.
We talk.
Yes, my
They
brother.
will see us walk.
Yes, man.
Later.
Divine love.
Yeah. You see, you never know. No. Think a joke thing right there, pun. Marcus Garvey are the true weapon.